The third one is the Jet Propulsion Laboratories Activities for Kids page. And this one actually would be more suitable for the younger set. And let's go ahead and have a look. Here's the screenshot that I took. And you can see we have some puzzles. And they have puzzles in various difficulties, various level of difficulty. So let's go ahead and go to that. Okay, this is the main page. Here's the main page of the kids section. Here are the planetary puzzles. And here's one of the easy puzzles. And you have to unscramble this into, this is interactive, so you have to unscramble this into a planet picture of a planet. So this one's not too terribly difficult. Probably most students that are in grade 2, I'm guessing, should be able to handle this. Grade 2, grade 3. Let's go back. And then there are some, if you have older students or they want to be challenged, they have some medium level puzzles and some harder puzzles. And then they have what they call the insane level, and most likely that would probably drive everybody crazy. Now, another thing they have here in this section is they have some tutorials on physics, okay, positive and negative charges. And this section right here builds on what you start with here, where they're just telling you what positive and negative charges are and what they do. Let's look at the simulation. Okay. Now actually this is there it is right there. So this is a lesson. It has lesson 1 through lesson 8 here. Each builds on the next. This one just explains what they're going to show you. And here's the next lesson here. The next step, it launches a positive charge. Now in the next one, you're going to see what happens to this positive charge when there is a negative charge in the general vicinity. So this is just a basic physics lesson, and it's suitable for, you know, grade 5, grade 4, I would suppose, depends on where you are in your science studies. And when you finish this, then you can play a game with what you've learned. You bounce the positive charge, slingshot it around the negative charge, and hit a target. There's another game after this, and then you can design your own ion engine when you're finished with that. So this builds on the very first lesson until you get down here and you can actually do some application with it. Now, paper models. There are several levels of difficulty in the paper model section. There are 2 that are, well actually 3 that are rated easy. One of them uses an ice cream cone to create a Cassini Explorer satellite. You have a balloon-powered nano rover, and then you have a paper Cassini. And then down further you have more and more complex models for older students. And well, actually, here's one right here. This one's printed on paper, and you download the file, print it, and then your students can cut it out and glue it together. And it comes down here. Here's a SOHO, the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. So there's an easy model there. So there's actually several easy models that would probably be suited for K through 5. And let's see here. Kid-friendly solar system for the younger set. Talks about our galactic neighborhood. Gives you some acronyms for memorizing planets. Although now we no longer have to memorize Pluto because it's been demoted. It's no longer considered a planet anymore. And then we have a kid-created art gallery. And they've accepted pictures from students all over the country and put them up here online and allow them to show off what they've learned. Oh, this is actually quite nice. Until somebody spent some time on that. Okay, so that is the solar system exploration site from JPL.